No makeup. Are you frustrated with makeup allergy? Some are prone to makeup allergy. You may experience itching, rash, or blisters, depend on reaction you get. So what you can do for this? Let's see how you can select safe makeup that won't give rise to nasty reactions. We'll start from what we can do at home and then move to patch testing. For those who are less prone to allergies, can do a patch test in home, what's called a poor man's patch test. You apply whatever chemical you're going to use over the cuticle fossa and observe for any reaction for 1 day. This is a crude test to identify allergic reactions beforehand. This may be helpful to you in preventing a severe allergic reaction. Mind you, if you are already allergic to some chemicals, read the label carefully and make sure that the chemical compound is not in there. If you are putting a chemical you are already allergic and sensitized to, it may even cause death. Let's move to patch testing, how to do it and how to recognize allergens.
Patch testing is the gold standard way of detecting allergic contact dermatitis. If your rash is mostly on the head and neck area, we often wonder about things such as hair products, cosmetic products, and different types of fragrances. We place the patches. After 48 hours, we will remove the patches. And after 48 hours is when you come back and we take a look and see if any reaction has formed. You are not allowed to shower or get your back wet, but you are allowed to wash your hair in the sink, sponge off, or take a very shallow bath that does not get your back wet. We are going to show you a little demonstration on how we prepare for patch testing. Right here is a chamber. There are 10 allergens on each chamber. What's inside these syringes are allergens. They're usually lichen or cream, and I'll just put a little drop onto each chamber. Here we are using 30 allergens in this patient. We are suspecting hair dye allergy. That's A that's above it, and we'll stick them on the back. It sticks to the back with hypoallergenic tape, so it does not cause any irritation. Patch test leave for 48 hours, and come back to take it off in 2 days. If there's a positive reaction to an allergen, it will present as red bumps or vessels. Here you can appreciate some positive results for chemicals we have put. Thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you next time, bye!